show you how to bleach tie-dye sweatpants and a sweatshirt. I did this DIY project the other day and posted it on my Instagram, and everybody seemed to love it, and they keep asking me how did I make it. So I decided to just make a YouTube video for you guys to learn how to make it. This is the one that I made the other day. I love it, super cute. But today again we're gonna be making sweatpants and a sweatshirt. So without further ado, let's take a look at what we're gonna need. We're gonna be needing the clothes that you're gonna tie-dye. I'm gonna be using these blue pants I got online and an old sweatshirt that I had. It's just a plain black, and I'm also gonna be cropping this so it looks like this sweatshirt I have on. We're gonna be needing scissors if you're gonna cut your sweatshirt, some elastics. I just have regular elastics, and I'm also using just some hair bands. I've used this before, so I know they're not gonna bleach. Some sort of a squishable bottle. Today I'm gonna be using just like a squishable travel shampoo bottle, but you can use any other type of bottles like a sriracha, ketchup, anything that you can squish in, and some bleach. Since we're gonna be working with bleach today, I'm just gonna change to some clothes that I don't care if they get stained. So I'll meet you guys back here. Now that we have changed and we're ready to start, the first thing I'm gonna do is to crop my sweatshirt, and I'm gonna be using as a reference the sweatshirt that I was wearing. If you don't have a cropped sweatshirt that you can use as a reference, just put it on, measure it, and leave a mark so you can crop it after. We're gonna start by laying down our sweatshirt. We're gonna place our other sweatshirt for guidance on top of it, so we have a reference of how long are we gonna crop it, right? Try to make it as flat as you can, and you're just gonna crop it right underneath the other sweatshirt. Try to go as straight as possible. So once we crop our lower part, this is how your sweatshirt should look like this. Once we have our clothes ready, it's time to tie them around to get all those cool shapes. So I'm gonna start by tying my sweatshirt. There are different ways to do this, like there are a lot of techniques, but I'm just gonna use whatever works best for me and what I think is the easiest. So with your sweatshirt, you're gonna start with the sleeves. So just grab the bottom of your sleeve and wrinkle it up all the way to the top. Once we get to the top, we fold it in half, and with our elastic, we're gonna tie it around like this. And we'll repeat the same process with the other sleeve. Once we're done with our two sleeves, we're gonna proceed to do the middle part, and we're gonna create like one of those spiral shapes. With our two fingers, we're gonna grab it from the middle and start twisting around like this. And once you get that shape, you're just gonna grab your elastic and wrap it around and secure it with more elastics all the way around. Just like this. Now I'm gonna do my sweatpants. So same drill as with the sweatshirt. I'm gonna start by the longer part, which is my legs. So grab it from the bottom and all the way up. Once you get to the crotch level, you're gonna stop, tie this around, and place an elastic. And you repeat the same process with the other leg. Once we have our two legs wrapped up, we're gonna do the top part of the pants, and we're gonna do the same. So spiral shape, as much as you can go. It's gonna get pretty hard because the top part is like a little bit thicker, so don't worry about it, just do as much as you can roll. And then place an elastic band in there. And proceed to do the same spiral shape on the other parts. So this is the final result. I put all my bands, and these are my two clothing items. Once we tied up both of our clothes, we're gonna proceed to fill with bleach our squishable bottle. I fill up my squishable bottle, and bleach is a really strong chemical, so if you don't have gloves like I do, just try to avoid as much contact as you can with the bleach, okay? And again, make sure that there's nothing surrounding that can get bleach. Okay, this is super easy. We're literally just gonna splash our sweatshirt with our bleach, pretty straightforward. So we grab your bleach and splash it all over your shirt. You have to make sure it is all wet. We flip it around and do the same on the other side. Make sure on the sides is full of bleach as well. I'm gonna do one more time. So as you can see, my bottle is pretty small, so I'm gonna have to fill it up again and repeat the same process. If you are bleaching on black, black is a really strong color, so you're gonna need a little bit more bleach than you would in a lighter color. So I'm done with my sweatshirt, and I'm gonna do the same process with my sweatpants. And I think my sweatpants are ready to go. You can start seeing the decoloration on them. So both of my clothes are soaking into bleach right now, and we're just gonna let them soak for another 3 to 4 hours. So our 3 hours have passed and our clothes have been soaking into the bleach. And just to let you guys know, after 2 hours of soaking, we realized that our black sweatshirt was not receiving the bleach properly. And we were reading about, and apparently some fabrics don't take or don't get affected by bleach. So I decided just to open it up. There was not much of the result from the bleaching, but I had another black sweatshirt that I did the same process. I bleached it and it looks pretty good so far. So we're gonna wash all of the 3 that we have now until we remove all the bleach from them. So we're gonna start by removing the elastic from our pants, and I'm gonna start doing the light color ones first. So I've removed all of my elastics, and now just with some cold water, we're gonna rinse all the bleach. So once that we rinse all the bleach from our clothes, we're gonna wash it. You can do this in your washing machine, but since we only have these 3 clothes, I don't want to waste so much water. I'm just gonna do it here in my sink, and then we're gonna let them dry. And now I'm gonna repeat the same process with my other 2 hoodies. As you can see, because black is a darker color, it will release more color when you're rinsing it. So just keep doing this until there's no more color coming out of the water. Now I'm washing the black ones. So we let these babies dry, and now they're all ready to try them out. But I want you guys to see how nice the colors turn out. The black one became like gray, kind of like brownish, and then the blue one just like, it looks like a sky, like it's blue and white. It's so pretty. So there you have it, guys. The DIY bleach tie-dye project is super easy to make, looks really cute, and all these supplies you can find them just in any regular grocery store for super cheap. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, don't forget to give it the thumbs up, subscribe down below, and turn on the bell button so it notifies you when I upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.